Looking to share a specific Telegram post with a friend or save it for later. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to grab the direct link to any post in a Telegram channel or group. By the end of this video, you'll know the quick and easy way to get a Telegram post link, a super useful skill for sharing news, photos, or any updates without sending a ton of screenshots. Let's get straight to it. First things first, open up Telegram and navigate to the channel or group where the post you want to share is located. This might sound obvious, but it's worth mentioning Telegram's layout can get pretty busy, especially if you're a member of a lot of chats. So take a second to make sure you're in the right place. Scroll through your list of chats and tap on the channel or group where you remember seeing the post. If you can't see it immediately, you can always use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the channel by name. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find the exact conversation. Just remember, you need to be in the channel or group itself, not in your saved messages or a forwarded copy of the post. That way, you're guaranteed to get the correct link. Once you're in the right spot, scroll through the posts and find the message you want to share. Maybe it's an important announcement, a meme that made you laugh, or an event invitation you want others to check out. Whatever it is, pause for a moment when you spot it. If you're on a computer here, where things get really straightforward, simply move your mouse pointer over the post. Now go ahead and right-click on the post. This step is important. Right-clicking opens up a little menu of options for the post, and this is where we'll find what we need. It's a bit like when you click a link or a file elsewhere on your computer to see what you can do with it. On Telegram, this menu might display quite a few options, but the one we're looking for will say something like Copy Message Link. If you're new to this, take a breath here. Don't worry if you see other choices like Reply or Forward, just look for the Copy Link option. Go ahead and click Copy Message Link. That's really all it takes. Telegram will instantly copy the unique web address for that post to your clipboard. If you've never used your clipboard before, think of it like a temporary tray where your computer holds things you've copied, waiting until you paste them somewhere else. For example, you can now go to your web browser, a chat with a friend, or an email, and simply paste that link either by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac. Voila, that link will take anyone directly to the post you wanted to share, as long as they have access to the channel or group. And that's it, you've just learned how to get the link to any Telegram post in a channel or group. This trick is especially handy for sharing content directly, saving you from sending endless screenshots, and keeping conversations clear and concise. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to hit that like button so others can find it too. Feel free to drop any questions or extra tips in the comments. I always love to hear how you're using these features. And if you want more simple tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.